Okay, are we live on YouTube?
It's loading right now, Judge.
Okay.
We're all here for gutter, Judge.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on the YouTube to load.
Okay. It's loaded. It says we're live.
We're live? Okay. All right, then, Mr. Gutter, can you raise your right hand for me? I'm sorry. Yeah, that's good enough. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Can't hear a word you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please speak up loud and clear, okay? Court reporter's got to be able to hear you to write this stuff down, okay? Are you the same Theodore Gutter who in this cause number 22-06-00076-CRK, who stands charged by indictment with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case is a second-degree felony, and it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 2 years in prison up to 20 years in prison. In addition, there's a fine from $0 up to $10,000. You understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in this case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I understand that the state has a motion to dismiss the enhancement paragraphs in this case.
That's correct, Your Honor.
The state has a motion to dismiss the enhancement paragraph, so you don't have to worry about this case being bumped up in punishment. It remains a second degree. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, we're doing this by video conference instead of doing it in open court. Do I have your permission to do this by video conference instead of doing it in open court?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have in front of me a document entitled Written Waiver and Consent to Stipulations of Testimony, which you have signed and your attorney has signed. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Among the many things you did when you signed this document was you gave up all your constitutional rights. You gave up the right to remain silent. You gave up the right to have a jury trial. You gave up the right to have the witnesses brought into open court. And you gave up the right to have your attorney ask some questions. You understand those are the rights you gave up?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
Does the state wish to offer State's Exhibit number 1 into evidence?
Yes, Your Honor.
State
have
is
no-
offering State Exhibit number 1 to evidence. Any objection, Mr. Cook?
No, Your Honor.
If there be no objection, State Exhibit number 1 is admitted. So then, to the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, a second-degree felony, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, we have an agreement for 5 years in TDCJ to run consecutive with cause number 2010 CR 6199B out of the 186th District Court of Bexar County, Texas. I'm so sorry. And he gets credit for 356 days.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Wood?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Gutter?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Gutter, the court having heard your plea of guilty. On that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to 5 years in TDC. I assess a $0 fine plus court costs. This case will run consecutive to cause number 2010 CR 6199B out of the 186th District Court of Bexar County, Texas. You'll receive credit for time served in this case of 356 days as of today. Is there anything else I need to put on the record in this case?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Nothing further.
Okay, then, Mr. Gutter, thank you. You can be excused. All right. They write this on the sheet. I said,
Judge saying he's gonna send it to me directly or what are we doing?
For which one?
For like his.
He's already signed the 2 pages he needs to sign.
Okay.
Oh, for the trial court certification.
Yeah.
I did send him that one.
Oh, the certification. I didn't do the certification. Can we bring him back on just temporarily?
I
Um,
can email someone.
yes. Hey, David, we need better back to do the trial court certification waiver. Oh. Do you have a copy of it, Judge?
No, but I know it by heart.
Okay.
But if you'll send me a copy, I'll sign it and send it back to you.
I know he's on.
I know, you did sign
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Part of the problem was it didn't get sent to me.
Did you get a copy of it, Judge?
I did not get a copy of it. That's why I overlooked it.
It should have been in that packet that we sent you.
I'm sorry, Natalie, I'm not trying to be difficult with you, but I'll double check and what you sent me and what I printed out. Did not
Okay.
happen. And I think that's why I overlooked it, okay? Pretty sure. Unless, no, I have everything that you guys sent me,
Okay.
okay? So, Mr. Gutter, I just need to put one more thing in the record. This is the plea bargain case. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that if your lawyer got a plea bargain for you with the state, and if I follow that plea bargain, do you understand that you will not have a right to appeal? You understand that? And I have followed the plea bargain. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. That was all I need to put on the record. Now, again, I don't have a copy of that. If you want to send it to me, I'll sign it, but I did not get a copy of that when you did send it to me.
Okay, we'll email it to you, Judge.
Okay.
And then
Right.
JC,